Fantastic. Really want to just thank the guys for doing that demo. And can you bring that Elmo back up for just a second? Can you bring the Elmo back up? Maybe. Oh, great. You know, I think when you look at this kind of next generation of application running on the web, running on the iPad, and also running even in Cocoa on the iPhone, and you look at the speed, you look at kind of the security built in, the reliability, the scalability, that I think is what every developer is trying to get to right now. And that's why I'm so excited about VMForce.
Yeah, I think we're going to unleash an incredible amount of creativity and productivity. I know, you know, the thing that keeps you and I in the fight after all these years is just the privilege of working with such bright, creative, motivated people. And I think we just saw an incredible demonstration of what can happen when you get people like that together and unleash them.
Absolutely.
But it's really going to translate into great customer value.
Absolutely. And so we thought, you know, we love talking to each other, but we should probably see what a customer thinks. So go back to the slides here. And I'd just like to welcome up on the stage one of the really great CIOs in our industry. Dave Smoley is here, the CIO of Flextronics. Please welcome him. Dave, come up on stage. Welcome.
Thanks, Mark.
Hi, Dave. Great to have you
again. Yeah, thanks.
Step right here in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Enjoy a VMware Salesforce sandwich.
We've each got a hand in each pocket, each of your pockets.
No comments.
No comments.
So Dave, you've been a Salesforce customer, you've been a VMware customer, you've had experience on Force.com, you've even built apps on Force.com, you've built apps with Spring. How do you see all this coming together?
Well, this is really exciting because I think it does begin to take the platform as a service to the next step. We've had tremendous success with VMware and Salesforce. You guys are an important part of our IT strategy and really an important part of our IT success. And so from the cloud, and in particular from your tools, we've gained tremendous speed, agility, scalability, and cost reduction. We pride ourselves at Flextronics at being low cost and effective. And I think the platforms that you guys, that we have today have given us that, and coming together like this gets me really excited because I think platform as a service has tremendous potential, and making that more open and giving us the ability to take advantage of the existing investment we've made in Java is a good thing for us.
No, I think it's great to hear that, and you know, what we're trying to do obviously is to leverage that investment that you have and allow you to apply that not just to cost reduction but to increased value down the road so that you can, you know, become more competitive in your own industry.
Absolutely, yeah. Now, I think with the cloud, I mean, we've made big investments over the last couple of years in software as a service. You're a key part of that. And, you know, when I look at the way we're able to react quickly to customer needs, to business demands, and to do that in a very low-cost manner, it's very compelling. And so I think we've been experimenting with platform as a service. Force is really impressive in terms of the speed with which developers are able to deliver apps and reuse objects and things like that. And so to take that and then bring in a whole another group of developers is going to be huge. Should be really big for us. Yeah.
Dave, where do you see this going? What do you think the next thing is that we should be working on, and what's the next step here?
You know, I just think continue to push. You guys are the innovators in this field. I think you're setting the pace for your competitors and for your other companies that you collaborate with. As a CIO, I think you know, cloud is overused, overhyped these days. There's a lot of talk, and I think what I like about what you're doing is you're delivering the results. So you know, we can talk about it till the cows come home, but when you begin to deliver usable tools and push into kind of the future, then that's what I'd like to see. So I want to see you guys continue to drive the openness, continue to make it easier. I mean, the ability to take tools. We've got a great tool, for example, called line monitoring system. So in in a global complex company like Flextronics, we have 130 factories in 30 countries around the world. One of the things that's really important to us is how effective and efficient is our equipment. When we invest in $1 million machines, we want them to be up and running as much as possible. And we have a Java app that we have deployed across several sites, and we're rapidly trying to get it around the world, right? Today, if I put that into a factory, I've got to put servers in, I've got my IT guys have to build it out, and it takes time. To be able to put that on a platform like Force and would give me tremendous speed and tremendous scalability. And so I think that you know, that's how we're going to use tools like this, and the more we can do that, the greater the ability to move things off of Force and into Force. That's a good thing.
Outstanding. Dave, thanks so much for being here.
Okay.
Great.
Thanks, Mark.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dave.
Very much.
Appreciate it.
Well, we're very excited to start a developer preview later this year, which you'll be able to find out more at VMForce.com. Developers can also go to developers.force.com or the www.force.com homepage, as well as the VMware homepage to get more information on all the tools and all the capability that you saw earlier today. Paul?
I just wanted to extend my thanks to everyone here today for coming, and we're obviously very excited, and we think we can do a lot of great things together.
Well, we're also really excited, and we know the future looks even brighter, and I think that Dave really illuminated it by adding Java and the Java Cloud and Force.com and bringing them together. We're really enabling the next generation of capability and the next generation of apps, making things easier to use, lower cost, increasing productivity, and as you said, the creativity of developers. So it's just an extremely exciting
and we do have a representative set of Salesforce and VMware folks here sitting at the tables with you. They'll be around afterwards. I encourage you to follow up with them and ask any questions that you might have.
Thanks very much. And for those of you who are online, thank you very much for joining us. And thanks for everybody here.
Thank you. Thanks, Mark.